Hi guys, I am back with a new tutorial again on a round base, but this time I am going to use a single crochet, and this is going to be a round base but non-overlapping, which means the end of the round is not going to overlap the beginning of the round. Okay, so I'm going to use a single crochet, which is this is very useful in tapestry crochet. Okay, first let's make a magic circle. So for not overlapping, we need one chain. And now let's have 8 single crochet. Eight single crochet, and now let's pull the yarn. Okay, so at the chain that we did, we insert the hook, yarn under, pull through and pull through again. Okay, for the second round, make one chain. At the first stitch, we make 2 single crochet in one stitch. And now continue like this. In each stitch, 2 single crochet. And now let's do row number 3. One chain. In the next stitch we have 2 single crochet. The second stitch we have 1 single crochet. Next, 2 single crochet. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. And so on until here. And now we insert the hook at the one chain that we did. And yarn over and pull out again. Now we do round number 4. One chain and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. The next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. The next stitch, 2 single crochet. The next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. And just follow this pattern until the end. And now the chain that we did, insert the hook, yarn under, pull out and pull out again. If you see, the beginning and the end are not overlapping. So now we have round number 5. 1 chain, the next stitch, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. At the next stitch, 2 single crochet on 1 stitch. Next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. And so on until the end. So at the end, at the 1 chain we did, we insert the hook, yarn under, pull out and pull out again. So, and now we have the 6th round. 1 chain, the next stitch we have 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The next 4 stitches we have 1 single crochet on each. The 5th stitch we have 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The next 4 stitches we have 1 single crochet on each stitch. The 5th stitch we have 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And so on until the end. And at the chain we did, we insert the hook, yarn under, pull out and pull out again. So this is how we continue on and on and on. So for the 7th round we will just have the next stitch, we will have 2 double crochet, and then the next 5 stitches we will have 1 crochet on each. Okay, so this is how to do a round base, which is useful for bags and maybe for other crochet projects as well, with the beginning and the end without overlapping. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and you like my channel, there are lots of other projects coming in. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and for everybody else, thank you for watching.